Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sabar.
Yesterday we discussed about lookup functions, right? We look up. Any questions in lookup? What is the most important thing in VLOOKUP while applying?
Phrasing of the reference depends on the column that you search.
Okay.
And the only thing is, from the criteria, you can see, you can get the data from the data which you have on the right hand side. You can't get the data from the left hand side.
Correct. It means lookup value column should be always the first column, right? Yeah. Phrasing is also important. We need to apply right phrase on right time. So phrasing options, reference styles, already we have discussed, right? In our previous classes, reference styles. So today we are gonna discuss index match. Example, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hello?
Yes, we can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. Okay. So employee ID is here. And if you noticed yesterday, whatever we look up, we applied employee ID and employee as ID used to be first column, right? And I applied VLOOKUP based on employee ID. I was able to fetch all these columns because these are right hand side. But now what I'm going to do here is employee ID is here. Okay, in this dataset employee ID is here. Now, if employee ID is here, how many column dataset I can fetch?
3.
3.
3. HRA deductions net salary. I cannot fetch employee name, basic salary and designations. With the help of VLOOKUP, I cannot fetch. If I want to fetch with the help of VLOOKUP, then what I can do is I need to copy this column and paste it here in beginning. Then I can cut and paste. I can see cut and paste this column here. Then I can apply. But in real-time scenario, there will be few instances where client will not allow you to change the sequence, or they'll not allow you to change the order of the column. It has to be as is. Might be because that Excel is kind of a template. That template you cannot change it. It has to be there only. In that case, yes, VLOOKUP won't work because we're not allowed to change that employee ID column in the first place. because it's not permissible. So in that case, I will apply index match. What is index match? Okay, if we are reading a book, any book, let's take example of accounts. And let's suppose today we are gonna study final accounts chapter. And I ask you that, can you please open the final accounts chapter in your book? What you will refer and how will you open that chapter?
Index.
Index.
Index page, yes. With the help of index page, I can open that book easily. Okay, this chapter page number, this directly will go to that page number and you'll open it. What about if index page is not there? Then
Randomly we pick some pages and see if that chapter is there. If we are nearby that chapter, then we move to other pages.
yes. If you do not have index page, then definitely you will take more time and you have to search manually. So we need to know particular number. Then only we can save our time. If particular number we don't know, and how we would come to know the number? Because of index. Index page is not there, then definitely it will take time to open that particular chapter. Same thing happens here also. In index also, it will be asking you two numbers. And what are two numbers? Those numbers are row and column. If I write index function, remember this index is asking index array, comma, row number, comma, column number. Let me write it here, this function. Index of array, comma, R, comma, C. What is R? What is C? R is row, C is column. Okay. R is row, 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 C is column. Now I ask you one thing. I have this table. In this table, tell me how many column, how many rows you see in this table only.
4 columns, 5 rows.
4 columns, 5 rows.
4 columns, 5 rows. Okay. 4 columns, 5 rows. Okay. Excellent. Now, what I want you to tell me this macro position, VBA position, and Excel position in this format R, C. Tell me macro row number in this table. Macro row number.
Row 2.
Second row number second. Yes.
Second or third column?
Third column, right?
Yes.
Tell me about VBA. Which row, which column?
Row,
Fourth row,
column.
third column.
4th row,
Third column.
3rd column.
Tell me about Excel.
4,
4th row, 5th column.
Fourth
Fourth row,
row,
fourth
4th row, 4th
column.
column.
4th column.
So let me write index one. Index array. What is array? Entire table.
Total table.
And whenever you select any array, what do we do? Freeze it, right? Freeze it. F4 key, comma. What is row number? 2, right? Can you see
2.
here? Comma 3. Comma 3 is column number. Let me drag it down. Now for VBA, what is row number, column number? 4, 3, right?
4, 3.
yes.
For Excel, what is the row number, column number? 4,4. Can you see the results? Macro VB Excel, can you see these results?
Yes.
If you understand how to count column, how to count row, then you can apply index function. Except one challenge. I'm repeating myself again. If you are able to count the row number and the column number for index function, I'm asking only index function, then you can write the index function. But the only challenge is writing this number manually. It's a challenge, because for each and every line, or for each and every, the cell value, it's typical for us to count it, right? In this case, I only have 4 columns and 5 rows. It's easy. What in real-time scenario? In real-time scenario, you will be having lots of data. Yeah. In that case, not easy to check each cell, row number, each cell, column number like this. Do you think that? 2,3, 4,3, 4,4. Do you feel that? Yes, it will take time. Yes, no? कैसा लगता है बोलने का? Do you think that? Do you think or not?
It is tough.
Yes, sir.
Stuff, yes. In that case, what I can do is I will apply match function. Okay. Now tell me employee ID 12 and deductions. Deductions is here. Employee ID 12 is here. Now tell me about this cell position 9500. I want to get. Tell me row number. What is the row number?
2.
2.
15.
Column number.
4 to
Column number.
15.
Column number 15.
3.
Yes, sir. 15.
Why column number 15?
3, sir.
From A to O, right?
oh,
3.
You're taking the reference from J, right?
I am taking reference from here to
Oh.
here. Tell
Okay.
me how many columns
6,
in
sir.
this table?
6.
6
6,
columns.
6, sir.
Then why 15? Why this, that? In this table, I'm asking only, right? In this table, what is the row number, column number? What is 9500? Tell me. Row number?
Second.
2. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6.
6.
Yeah, so 2,6. Tell me employee name for ID 12. Employee name is this. Tell me row number, column number.
Row number 2, column number 3.
Second row, third column.
So 2,3. Okay, done. Now I'll write the same function. Index array. Array will be the entire table. F4, comma 2,6. 2,6. 1 minute. Done. Employee name. If I say employee name, what is row number, column number? 2,3.
Actually.
See, I can write all these things like this only. Now I can check for HRA for this employee ID. HRA will be this 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2,
Fine.
5. I can write it, but no. It's a manual practice and we don't do manual things. In that case, what I can do is I will remove this 2. This 2 only. Do not remove do not remove any comma, nothing. Only 2 I will remove. Only 2 I will remove. And you tell me on what basis you give me number 2. Tell me.
Row 2.
Row, sir.
Go with
Row, right? You gave me 9500. Why only you gave me 9500? You can give me this also, no? Then why? This one, this, or this number, this number. Why you gave me only this cell reference?
Employee ID.
Employee ID, excellent.
Yes.
Because you are searching in
Employee
Employee
ID.
ID.
employee ID. Yes. In this case, if I remove this two, the lookup array will be this column. Got it? Employee ID, right? So now I'll remove this two. I'll remove this two. Only remove two. Do not remove comma. Again, I'm repeating. Do not
Okay.
remove any comma. Simply remove this two. That's it. And apply match function. Hit tab. Lookup value. Lookup value will be employee ID. Okay. I will freeze. I will freeze A. Okay. Then again put a comma. Do not get confused with this comma. This comma basically for VLOOKUP. So again put a one comma there. After putting a comma, what is asking?
Lookup array.
Lookup array. Lookup array will be
Entire
this
table.
thing. Entire table, right? Who is saying entire table?
Me. I.
Yesterday I clearly explained that what is difference between table array and lookup array. If you remember. In the syntax, if it is asking table array means entire table will be there. If it is
Okay.
asking lookup array,
Employee IDs with employee ID.
lookup array will
With
be,
the single row and multiple column.
it can be single row,
Single row
multiple
or-
column, or
Single column,
multiple.
multiple row.
So in this case, we are searching in employee ID only.
Employee ID.
So it will be single column, multiple rows, correct?
Yes.
Then whenever you select any array, what we do, freeze it, F4 key, comma, exact match, double click on the 0, close parenthesis, enter. Same result. Same result, right?
Yeah.
If I drag it down, check it once. Employee ID 14, this amount. Employee ID 9, reduction this. Employee ID 1, reduction this. 91, reduction is
Not available.
not applicable, not available, because 91 is not there. Got it? Now, if I drag it to right hand side, what's happening?
Getting the same value.
Why same?
Column.
Because see, what is the column number here?
6,
What is column number here?
6.
3.
6.
On what basis you gave me number 6? Tell me.
So we want the deductions which is in the column number 6.
On what basis you gave me number 6? Because what
After
is the header?
deductions is in the sixth column.
Exactly, because this deduction column number is
Sixth one.
6th column number, right? Because you are searching in headers. This, no, this, no, no, this, no, no, no. Here, deductions. Then you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 number. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 number. 7 number, right, guys? Why
No,
you
sir.
6.
6 number.
1,
Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. Okay. 6 number. Then what I will do, I'll remove the 6. I'll apply one more match. Lookup value will be this deduction this time because we're counting headers, right? Deductions. Here you are searching B94. Here you will searching for C94. Here you will search for D94. Here you search for
E9.
E94. What is common?
90.
94 is common. Comma. Lookup array. Tell me, lookup array will be this time. What I'm looking for?
Deductions.
It should be
Deductions.
like this, right? Only headers. Again, the freeze, comma, exact match. Done. This parenthesis is closed. Now this is also closed. Enter key. drag it down, right hand side. Job is done. You need to apply index match in same way, whatever I have explained. First, you need to apply index, only index function 2,6, 2,6, then remove 2, apply match, then remove 6, apply match. Now, can you see this formula?
Mhm.
Very big formula, right?
Yes, sir.
But I explained this in a simple way, right? So that's how you need to write the formula. First, apply index, go with 2,6, then remove 2, apply match, then remove 6, apply match. Any question? And I don't like NAs. What I can do? I don't like NAs. What I can apply here?
If error.
If
If error, go in the last comma. I want to the dash. Done.
Yeah.
Index match is done. Now we also have one more thing, offset match. Index match, offset match. Match is same in both the formula. The only difference between offset and index is, I will tell you. Offset match can work any direction. Left, right, up, down. But only thing offset match needs is one reference. It needs one reference, and that reference will be a particular cell. Again, I'm repeating myself. Offset function, it needs a reference, and that reference will be a single cell. Wherever you are starting your reference, from there only it will be considering the row number and the column number from that place. Again, I'm repeating, if we are selecting any cell from that cell, it will be considering the row number and the column number. And that particular REF, reference cell, that reference cell will be considered as a zero. In this case, if I'm asking you, what is the macros place? If reference is this reference will be considered as 0, 0, nothing but row number 0, column number 0. Okay. And by the way, let me write this function offset first. Offset reference, comma, row, comma, column. Same thing. Height and width. These are optional one. But reference, comma, row, comma, column. Offset. Row, comma, column. If my reference is this reference will be considered as 0, 0 only. Nothing but row number
0.
0. This column number
0.
0. Now tell me macros. What is the row number for macros?
2.
Row number, guys. Row number. Macros.
1, 1, 6.
See, I told you that offset match, it can go any direction. If they're going up, if it is 0, then it will be -1. It will be -2.
Okay.
Correct? Now tell me macros, which row number?
-2.
-2. -1, -2. -2, comma. Column number? If it is 0,
2.
1 and 2. Tell me Excel, this position. Row number?
2.
Why 2?
1.
It's in the bottom, right?
So what? What is the reference here?
0.
Okay, 0. Okay, 1.
Row number,
1.
comma. What is the column number?
3.
3.
3.
0, 1, 2, 3. Now, let me write this function. What is the syntax?
Offset.
Sir.
Offset.
Reference will be this reference, this particular cell only. Do not enter it, not enter it. Okay. Don't set any reference, freeze it. Comma, row number
-2.
-2.
Minus.
-2, comma 2. Okay. In this case, row number 1,
1.
comma 3. Now tell me about this. Word, W-O-R-D. If my reference is this, based on this reference, tell me what is the position of word?
1.
Row number,
1.
row number, column number
-1.
-1. Excellent. VBA
1.
1.
1, comma
1.
1.
1.
SQL
2, 2.
2, comma
2,
2.
comma
2.
2, comma 2.
That will be this. Is it comma row
1, -2.
-1. Here it will be 1, comma 1. Here it will be 2, comma 2. Done. Now let's go back to this. Employee ID 12, employee name I want. I want this. And this time also I am just selecting this table only and I'm giving a reference here. I'm giving a reference here. If it is 00, then tell me employee ID 12 name. Employee ID 12 is this, name is this. Tell me this position.
Row 1.
Third column, second.
Row number
1.
1. Column number
3.
3.
3.
2. 2.
Yes, this is column number 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? I'm taking a reference here. I can write it here, REF. This is my reference. 0, 1, 2, 3. So you are telling me if this is 0, row number 1 will be this. 1, comma 3. Offset. Offset reference is this, comma
1, 3.
1, comma 3. Forward. But here if I take it, then again I need to count these numbers and then I can give you. But instead of that, 1 you gave me based on this
Row.
only because 12 is here. That's what you are searching in employee ID, and accordingly you are giving me this name. 12 employee name is this. That's what you gave me, right? We were searching 2 into this employee ID column, right? Same thing. Whatever explained in index match is the same thing. I will remove this one and apply a match function. Match lookup value will be
E1. Equal.
employee ID. I will freeze a comma lookup array. Lookup array will be employee ID column. Again freeze it, comma exact match I want. Double click on 0. Parenthesis close. Twelve is Suresh or what?
Morgan.
Sir, I'll tell you one.
Morgan.
No, I'll tell you one thing. Forgot to mention very important thing for this function is, let me tell you. Let me remove this match function again. Let me apply match function. Match lookup value will be main ID. Phrase it, comma, lookup array. Very important thing for this lookup array is because we have to exclude this first line. We need to start from here. Do not include the header because it's 0 reference we are giving here. This is only one important thing because this is how we need to count it. We need to start from without headers. That's it. F4, comma, 0. You can drag it down right hand side, or the right hand side. Reductions. Here. What is difference between here and here? And by the way, we missed one thing also here, right? We did not freeze it, right? It has to be freeze. This reference. It has to be freeze. Now it's okay. Same. Why? Because column 3, comma 3. What I will do, I will remove this 3. Again, I will apply one more match lookup value. This time we are searching for
employee name.
Select it. Freeze 120, comma, lookup array will be
First.
headers. F4, comma, 0. When this is already closed. Done. Control D. Any question? It's same. It's same like index match only. In index match, we are giving reference as an entire table, but in offset function, we are giving as a particular cell as a reference. That's it.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Mhm.
This is Bhargav. Sir, yesterday you mentioned that in table array we can count all the table. Yeah, in another, I think we look up array, we should not count all the table. We have to count particular rows and columns.
Yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
that's why confused. That to get clarification, I asked the question, sir. That's why.
So now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Table array means entire table. Lookup array. Lookup array can be single column, multiple rows, or single row, multiple column. Got it? Now
Yes.
let me tell you this thing. See, every time when we discussed yesterday, we look up function, we were giving comma 0, right?
Mhm.
Why comma 0?
Exact match.
Exact match. This ID should be exactly matching, right? Same thing here. If I will give VLOOKUP function, VLOOKUP value this 35, comma, I want to search in this table. F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. C grade. Because why C grade?
35 days on the C.
61. Result will
B
be
grade. B grade.
okay. Drag it down. Why we are having NAs? So
We
many
don't find any 29, 80, 34,
29,
63, all those numbers in that reference range.
because these numbers are not matching exactly, right? What is number I have given here?
Exact match.
Exact match. What about if I will remove this function, or let me remove this cells from, and here let me put 1. What is
Appropriate match.
approximate?
Match.
Because true value by default, true value is 1, right? We can Either you can write true or you can write 1. Both are same, right? Because we were writing 0. Instead of 0, you can also write false. Because true value is 1, false value is 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So done. Now done. And now let me drag it. Can you see the results everywhere? Yes, no?
Okay.
29.
But
Yes, sir.
how it confirms 29 as a fail?
Yes, I will
Yeah.
tell you. But result is everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Now let me explain you this. See, if 3561, no question on this.
No.
81, no question on this.
No.
Let me remove this and this. I hope no question on these three because these are matching as per the table. No question, right?
Right.
Now 29. Why 29? It was showing me fail. So there are two rules for approximate match. The rule is this. First rule is lookup value should greater than from your table array value and should be is it is should be SB means should be the nearest one. Okay, now this 29 should be the nearest one to near two numbers. Example, 29 is near to which two numbers in this range? Tell me.
35.
35.
0 and 35, yes or no?
Yes.
29 number is close to 0 and 35. Between 0 and 35, yes or no?
Yes.
Now, second rule. This 29 should be more than those two numbers. This 29 is greater than 0 or greater than 35?
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
The result will be
Fail.
fail. Now 80. 80 is nearest to which two numbers in this range?
61 and 81.
61 and 81. And 80 is greater than 61 or 81?
61.
61.
61. Result will be
B grade.
B grade.
34. 34 is nearest to which two numbers?
0 and 35.
0 and 35.
And 34 is greater than which two numbers? Guys, can you please go on mute? This 34 is greater than
0.
0. Result will be
Fail.
63 is nearest to which two numbers? These two numbers, right?
61 and 80.
63 is greater than 61. Result will be
B grade.
that's how you can do it. Done? But in real time scenario, they are never ever using approximate match. 0.01% we are using it, but we are not using it. Okay, never ever use this approximate match. But I just wanted to let you know what is approximate match, what is exact match, why we are using 0, why we are using 1. Is it clear? क्लियर तो बोल दिया करो यार, उसमें बड़ा पैसा लगता है तुम्हारा.
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस करो तो समझ में आएगा, समझ में नहीं आएगा. प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते, कुछ लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, कुछ प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते. वाइल्ड कार्ड मैच. Wild card, yes. Not yesterday, before this also, I was telling you wild card, right? Wild card is just about the question mark, sorry, star symbol. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Before and after.
I told you that example, best example for credit card statement. Last 4 digit, right? How we are getting the statement in the email? They are telling XXXX, XXXX, XXXX. Then last 4 digit they are giving on the email. Dear customer, your credit card number ending with 1234. Bill has been generated. The total amount due is this, minimum amount due is this, due date is this. We would request you to please maintain a sufficient balance in your account on the due date. Happens?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm asking you, again I'll tell you, S dot star means name start with
Yes.
S. Star S means
Name ends with S.
star S and star.
Starting
Name
and
contains
ending
S.
S.
Contains, right?
Contains S.
Contains S. Yes. Now there are two types of wildcards. One is question mark. Second is I'm sorry. Second is star symbol. First is question mark. Second is star symbol. Nothing but asterisk. This question mark is what? Single character
Replacement.
is it's single character replacement only. Example. If I write car, then question mark. It's only single character replacement. If I remove this star, remove this question mark and I'm putting T, the result will be
Card.
if I'm removing this question mark and putting D, result will be
Card.
card and care. Only single character replacement. The star symbol is what? It can be null, single, and multi-character replacement. It can be null. Null means it can be, if I'm putting here car star, it can be car. It can be car. Null. Null means I'm not changing anything. I'm not putting anything after CAR star. I'm not putting anything on star. Nothing. Single character. Now I'm removing this star symbol and putting E. What result will be? Care. And I'm removing this star symbol and putting multiple character. I'm putting this many. Now result will be careless. This is single character replacement, and star symbol can be null, single, and multi-character replacement. Okay. Now I want to see result like this. MORG star. After each name, whatever name you have here, you need to add star symbol. How can you add it? Tell me.
Concatenate.
Concatenate, yes. So tell me, if I want to write MORG star, then can I say concat? Okay, then
Next,
Select your name.
name
okay,
or
Comma star.
comma star.
comma,
Star.
double quote,
Double quote and star in double quote. Yes. Comma bracket close.
done. Or can I write like this also? This cell equal to this cell, ampersand,
Yeah.
star. Yes.
Yes.
Good. Now let me remove this. If you are writing like this, it means, what does it mean? MORG star means name start with,
MORG.
name start with.
SUI.
Let me write it here. We look up value will be this and clear.
Okay.
This and this star symbol, comma, table array. In this table, I want F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. Morg 26. Why morg 26?
More don't have
More
26.
SURE 10. Why SURE 10?
We have
Surendra 10.
Surendra and Suresh both.
Suresh.
Which is coming first in this table?
Surendra.
Surendra. SURA.
Considering only this only. Okay. Saha NA. Why Saha NA?
Not from
Not
Saha.
No name
There
with
is
them.
no. There is no name.
ERE.
Pareto 39.
Pareto 39.
Nothing but name starts with MORG star, SURE star, SAHA star, PRA star. That's how it is called.
Wild card man.
Well, you can use it basically, wherever you have, let's suppose, some items name uh, starts with this and then putting star symbol. That time you can use it. Let's suppose, in supermarket, uh, you have so many surf excel, right? In supermarket.
Yeah. Yeah.
Surf excel matic, surf excel front load, surf excel top load. Yes.
Yeah.
So many surf excel. So what you can do, you can apply. Okay, I want to know that surf excel product. How many quantities we sold? Surf excel. Surf star.
Star.
Get it?
Yes.
That time you can use. Okay, done. Next. We look up with approximate match. Oh, sorry, done. This is done already. Sorry. Okay. This is good. Okay. Let me apply. We look up value this, comma. 1 minute. Let me phrase it. Comma. Net salary. I want to take it from this table.
Yeah. Total.
Not from. Sorry. Let me take it from this table. Easy. I'll put it very easy. This is my table. F4, comma. What I want? Net salary. Comma 7. Yes.
7.
35,000, right? For 12, 35. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. What is employee ID? 12.
Well,
What is 12, 35? 12 is here, right? It should be 47,500. Let me reapply this. We look up.
We didn't give exact match.
yeah. Exact match. Yep.
Correct. Comma. Table array is this. F4, comma 7, comma 0. Done. Why any?
We didn't find that
Not,
employee ID.
not available.
Not fine.
I do not like this NA. How can I avoid this NA?
Error.
If error.
If error.
If
Error. If error.
Error, go in the last. If error is there, value if error, what do you want?
Not found.
Not found. Double quote, not
Not
found.
found.
But instead of that, this time what I will do? If error is there, while applying this function, anywhere in this range, if error is found, again I'm repeating, while applying this function, if value of error, wherever find error, then apply one more VLOOKUP. Apply one more VLOOKUP. Lookup value this. I'll phrase it, comma, table array. This time table, I'm not taking this table. I'm taking this table. F4, comma, 7, comma 0. Now drag it down. 99, 17,500. Can you see here 99?
Yeah.
Value. What I applied here?
2 tables.
2 tables for VLOOKUP. Table array.
First I apply VLOOKUP, then I apply if error. If error is there, then apply one more
VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP. Instead of writing not found, I am applying VLOOKUP. Now we get a question. Okay, what if I do not find in this table also, then I want to apply one more time VLOOKUP then? Then again you need to start with
If error.
error. Again start with if error, go in the last, again take a one VLOOKUP. There. Got it? Okay. Let me do this. It's very interesting. Sorry. Okay, by the way, tell me how can I get this drop down list? Which
Data
function?
validation.
Data validation.
Right. So name for, I have taken this list range from this subject. I have taken this subject 1, 2, 3 from this list.
Column.
So hope everyone is clear on this data validation.
Yeah, sir.
Whosoever is
Yes, sir.
practiced should be okay. Whosoever is not practiced will not be okay for this. I don't care if you haven't practiced. It's your headache. If you're practiced, then yes, you are getting it. Okay, done. Now score wise, let me put it here, subject 1. Here I want to write, we look up value,
Name.
Name for.
and tell me if I am not going to drag it down, if I'm not going to drag it right hand side, do I need to freeze? No. If you want to freeze, still fine. Excellent. But in case if you forgot to freeze, it's fine. Why? Because I'm not going to drag this formula down. I'm not going to drag this from right hand side. I'm only going to apply formula in single cell. So it's not mandatory. Okay. Now, but if you still want to freeze it, you can freeze it. Comma, table array. This is my table. Subject 1. Which column number?
2.
Comma 2, comma 0. Name for 95. Name for 95. Can you see? Let me change this. Name 1, 54, 54. Let me change this to name 3. Name 3, 73. Name 3, 73. Let me change it. Name 6. Name 6, 81, 81. Any question?
About subject change.
What about subject? Excellent. If I choose name 1, name subject 1, say 54. But if I change subject 1 to subject 2, subject name 1, subject name 1, subject should be
83.
83. But showing me
Sub
52.
52.
54.
Why 52? 54. Why? Because I have given which column number?
Column.
Column number 2. If you are
2.
want to take subject 2, then should be column number
3.
3.
3. If I make this number 3, result is
83.
83.
if I want to take name 1, subject 3, name 1, subject 3, that time column number will be
4.
4. I will change to 4. But it is not again, it is not a good practice. Changing these numbers manually. Let me change this back to 1 only. Okay. And it should be column number 2. I will tell you one thing. What you can do is, you can remove this 2. And by the way, tell me why it is 2, column number 2. Because subject
The
One
one
is
in the column,
subject is
second
column number
column,
2.
2.
Can I remove this number 2 and can I apply match function there? Match, lookup value, search for
Subject
this,
1.
comma, lookup array will be headers only. Okay. You want to freeze it, comma, exact match 0, parenthesis close. Now don't get confused with this 0. This 0 is for
VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP. This 0 is for
Match.
match. Now see the magic. Name 1, subject 1. Name 1, subject 2. Result is
83.
Name one subject. The result is,
Only
let me change this. Name 4 subject 3. Result is, name 4 subject 2. Result is
30.
13. Name 4 subject 1. Clear?
Yeah.
This is called multi, not multi. This is called with VLOOKUP with match function. Hmm. Okay. One thing. There is one function called hyperlink. Function name is
Hyper.
hyperlink. I want to hyperlink https :/www.google.com. Currently it's hyperlink. Can you see this hand symbol?
Yeah.
Is it hyperlink?
No. Yes.
I want to hyperlink this URL. What function I will use?
Hyper.
Link location. What is link location? Double quote. Why double quote? Because we are going to write manually or it is text, right? https :/www.google.com. Parenthesis, sorry, double quote close. By the way, how many arguments?
2 or
2,
How many mandatory?
1.
1.
I'm giving only one. Okay. I'm not bothered about second one. Back that is optional. I'll close parenthesis here only. What is that? Do you see it is getting hyperlink? But I do not want to.
Yes.
I do not want to see this hyperlink. I want to see a name. Let's suppose Google. I want to see. What I want to see?
Google.
Google. I'll go there. Put a comma. What friendly name you want?
Google.
Google. Can I write Google like this? Is it okay?
Double quote.
It should be double quote. Result is done. Now I will give you, let's suppose, 10 companies name. And for 10 companies name, you have to give result like this, hyperlinks. Nothing but for Google. For Google, hyperlink should be https://www.google.com. For Microsoft, it would be
HTTPS
HTTP
//
/
www.microsoft.com.
Microsoft.com.
for here,
HTTP
HTTPS
/ www.apple.com.
what is the common thing here? For every company. Starting test
HTTPS www. and the last.com.
up to www dot, right? https://www dot until this dot. Until this dot, everything will be same. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yeah.
For each and every company.
Yes.
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 So what I will do is I will write hyperlink function. Link location should be https :/www. Okay. Dot. Dot. Now what do you want to write?
Microsoft.
Google.
In this case, Google, right?
Yeah, Google. Yes. Google.
What I will write? Ampersand. Okay. Ampersand. Google. Okay, so here I want to write this cell reference. Okay, this cell reference ampersand. Okay, google.com dot
Com.
com.
Yeah.
If I do like this, see what happens. What is giving you?
One.
G144 and .com, right? What about if I just put this into double quote? Now,
Yeah.
is it okay? Now, if I drag it down, can you see?
Yes.
I want friendly name also. What friendly name I want? This Google, right? Shall I write Google like this? Or here also, what I will write? Like this, right? Instead of writing like one by one, why can I not give this cell reference directly? This only, done, right? Hyperlink.
Yeah.
Now, might be few people they're thinking then what is difference between this and this? They're thinking. I know people they're thinking. Okay, then after applying this function, what is difference between this and this? Tell me, guys.
That is the normal text and this is the hyper.
Hyperlink.
Excellent. But कोई कोई बंदे सोचते हैं ऐसे भी सोचते हैं अरे सर क्या करा आपने कुछ मैजिक किया क्या नथिंग इज देयर राइट ये भी सेम है ये भी सेम है सेम नहीं है वो दिस इज नॉट अ हाइपरलिंक दिस इज हाइपरलिंक्ड कैन यू सी and symbol here but here it is normal text now which function I can use that I can see that in a proper case nothing but G capital should be capital M should be which function I use
Okay.
hmm?
Okay.
Sorry? Which function?
Sir, sorry, sir, I didn't got your question, sir.
I want to see this G should be capital, M should be capital, A should be capital. What kind of case it is?
Case sensitive.
Case.
Exact function.
No. Why exact function? If I want to write like this, Rohit, I want to write name like this. Tell me.
Proper.
Ah,
Proper case.
Proper case.
yes.
Proper case, sir.
Here only I will say proper of
Proper case.
this. Proper of this. Now you see. Done.
Yes, sir. Proper case.
Yeah. Write this one. Okay. Address. What is the address function? You know, I'll tell you. Address function is nothing but if I write address, row number, column number. If I want to take A1, what is the row? What is the column in A1? Tell me.
A is
A is
column.
the column, 1 is the row.
Yeah.
Exactly. If I write like A4,
A is
A
the
column.
4 is the row.
4
Four
is
is
the
row.
A means what? One only, right?
Yeah.
yes.
B is what?
2.
2.
Z. Z
Second
is
column.
what?
Second column, B.
Z.
26.
26.
46.
So I'll write address function. Address of A4. I want to take A4. What is the row number will be in A4?
4.
4 only.
Yeah.
Comma. Column number in A4? 1 only, right?
1.
Yep. Result is A4. Address. I'll give the address to this. Comma. Now you're getting question. Why we are getting this dollar symbols, right? First you tell me what kind of reference it is. Tell me A4, which kind of reference style it is? We discussed 3 reference style types. What kind of it is? This A4. No
Manual.
knowledge.
Manual.
Manual.
That is input way, guys. I'm asking the reference styles. Relative, absolute, mixed.
Mixed.
This one. I'm talking about this.
So,
I think it's
normal. This is absolute reference.
Why absolute, guys? Where are you?
French style.
No dollar symbol
No
means
symbol.
Relative.
Relative reference.
Relative reference.
absolute means
$2
Two.
symbol.
$2.
in mixed reference row phrase. This is row phrase, right?
Yes.
Before, because dollar symbol before number.
Okay.
For A, if it is before A, then it will be column phrase.
Column
Yes.
reference.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me which reference style it is.
Relative.
Relative.
This one.
Absolute.
Absolute.
Let me put comma here. Tell me, do you want absolute, relative? Do you want dollar symbol? Do you want to see that? No, I don't want to see dollar symbol. Then I will use.
Sorry.
Relative.
Relative.
I will click on this. The result. Formula text already we discussed. What is the formula text? Transpose. What is transpose?
Rows to column, columns to rows.
Yes.
If I
Transpose of data.
simply copy this, apply paste special values, transpose.
Right.
Done. But this I want to do with help of formula. How many columns? How many rows?
2 columns,
2 columns, 4 rows.
4 rows.
4 rows.
2 column, 4 row. Now this 2 column will become 2 rows and 4 rows will become 4 columns.
4
Nothing but
columns.
2, 3, and 2 rows. Done. Now let me apply transpose function. Transpose array is this. Select the array and apply control enter. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute. Transpose array is this. Control shift enter. Done.
Do we need to select all the rows before applying the formula?
Yes, important. If I do not select it, if I say transpose, my array is this. Let's do this way. Again, control shift enter. It's taking only one, right?
Okay.
Or let me apply transpose. My array is this. If I say control enter you can apply. Yes.
Okay.
But see, if you're putting cursor here, can you see this? Is it getting enabled, disabled, right? How about this?
Able.
If I just delete this single cell, what happened?
Totally vanished.
So I just want to change this into array function. I'll select it and a control shift I will press. I only take that's what I'm taking. 2 columns, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Here I apply transpose. Array is this. Control shift enter. Now, if you delete this, you can't delete it. It's part of array. And all the array will be started with which bracket? Which bracket?
It's
Curly bracket.
Curly bracket.
curly bracket. Yeah.
Any questions, guys? Interesting thing. Now you guys will tell me. I want to write like this. A1, B1, C1, D1. I already told you this function, address function, right? How can I get A4? Nothing but A is what? Column. 4
Column.
is what? Row.
Hmm.
And address function syntax is what? Let me write it here. Address. Row number, comma, column number, right? And then absolute number, nothing but 4 I can use. But formula is row number, comma,
Column.
row number, comma. Style I will, for style wise, I will take, let's suppose 4 because I want relative reference. So that I can apply number 4 there. So let me remove it. We'll apply there only. Done. Now I want to apply like this. I will apply A1, B1, C1, D1. This way I want to take A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Same like this pattern. Range address. Tell me, what is the row number here? Tell me, guys. What is row number here?
1, 1, sir.
1.
Here
1,
1.
1, 1.
it's everywhere 1 only, right?
Yes.
Here column number,
A.
A,
column number
C,
2, right?
O.
C means
3.
T means
4.
I will apply the address function. Row number this only, right? Comma, column number is this. I do not want dollar symbol. In that case, what I will apply here?
Relative.
Relative.
A1, B1, C1, D1. What is the common here basically?
1,
So can I write the same thing like this? Address, row number 1 I'm taking, comma, column number I will take this because column is getting changed, right? Comma, same result.
Yeah.
Let me delete it. Same result, right?
Hmm.
Because everywhere row number same 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's what I put 1 only. Then for column I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. This column reference I'm taking. Let's see this column. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I write, can you tell me a function wherein if I write 1 and drag it down, it should be 2. Okay, tell me this. Study with this. Column function, if I write A1, result will be result will be
1.
1 only because A 1.
1.
Now column function, so I need to drag to column side, not row, not a row side. Column side like this side, right?
Hmm.
Column function. Now this A1 will become
2.
B, C, D, nothing but B2, C is 3, D is 4. Yes or no? Same thing I will write row. If I'm writing row wise A1, result will be
1.
Now I need to, because the function name itself row. These are rows horizontally, right? I'll drag down, not right inside. Result is
1, 2, 3.
because column function will be dragged to right hand side because columns are like this. Rows are like this. Yes or no? These are rows, right?
Yeah.
Drag it to down only. Same thing here. Here, what I will do, I will write a function, row of A1. Result is, if I drag it down, now result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, how can I take it? This 1, 2, 3, 4, I can remove this, right? And here, instead of this, what I can write? Row of A1. Now we drag it down. The result. Done.
Yep.
because this 1, 2, 3, 4 I want in 1, 2, 3, 4 I want with the help of which function?
Row.
Row function. Clear? Guys, these small functions, if you can understand the logic, I understand that, sir, where will you use this function? I understand we'll never ever use, but why am I using this address function? Because you need to understand, we need to understand this row function. It's very, very important. Now done. Now last, HLOOKUP. What is HLOOKUP?
Horizontal.
Horizontal lookup. So far we were searching for this value and result. It used to be in columns, in this column, this column, this column, this column, and so on. Now in HLOOKUP, I will be searching values in rows. Employee ID is this. Based on employee ID. Employee ID is this. Based on employee ID, I will find employee name, designation, basic salary, HRA, deductions, net salary. Horizontally. Can you see horizontally? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
And earlier we used to search all the things in columns, yes or no?
Yes.
This column, vertically. But this time we are searching
Horizontal.
row wise.
Horizontal lookup.
Let me apply HLOOKUP here. H lookup value will be this cell. This cell. It's not visible.
67. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm searching for B67. This cell I'll be searching for C67, A67, this one, this, and this. What is the common here?
67.
I will print 67, comma, table, table array. This time table array I will choose, let's suppose I can get it this. Starting from this, the table array. F4, comma. Now what is asking?
Row index.
In VLOOKUP it was asking
Column index.
column index. Why column? Because vertically column is what? Horizontally, right? So row index number. Which row I have that employee name? Tell me this table.
Second.
Second row. I'll apply a number 2, comma 0. I hope everyone is clear why number 2 in this range. Which row number you have the name?
Second row.
Second.
Second.
Second row. Don't think that row number 26. No. In this table, I am asking. In this table, row number 2.
Within second row.
If I drag it down, if I drag it right hand side, that's fine. But if I drag it to, no, sorry. Working fine. Employee ID 12 Morgan, 14 Pareto, 9 John, 1 Suresh. If I drag it down, this function, what's happening? Same result?
Yes.
Why same result?
We have to change the row number.
Row number.
Now check here. In designation, which row number designation here?
3.
3.
3. So I will drag it down and I will put this 2 and I'll put it
3.
number 3.
3.
Analyst. He is analyst. 12 name is Morgan and his designation is analyst. But see, what is the row number?
2.
2. Next row number
3.
3. Next row will become row number
4.
4.
Now tell me, how can I get this number 2, 3, 4? How can I get this number?
Row function.
Row function. Row. Tell me, how can I get 2? What should I write here?
40.
How can I get 2? What should I write in bracket? Tell me. Shall I write like this?
B1.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
B1.
It should be B1 or B2 or A2. Three options, tell me. B1, B2, A2. Tell me. Quick, guys. We are running out of time.
Two row.
Huh?
Row is 2, A is column, so it is 2. A2.
Why can't we write B2?
B2 is also fine.
Also fine, yes. Because we are focusing on number. What is A2? 2 is row, right? It doesn't matter if you are writing A2, result will be 2 only. If you are writing B2, result will be
2 only.
only. Why? Because it's the row, right? If I'm writing somewhere double A, it will be
2.
2 only, right? So let's suppose A2 writing A2. If I drag it down, now this A2 will become A3, right? Result will be 3. Result will be 4. So instead of this 2, I'll remove this 2 and I will apply row function. And here I will apply A2. Close parenthesis. Done. Now drag it down. Right hand side. Job is done. I don't like NAs. What I can do here?
If error.
Control D, Control R. Now you get a question. What about data set? In this data set, I have these headers. In this data set, I have these headers. What about if I have data set shuffled? Column, rows are shuffled. Example here. Employee name is there, but employee name is here in this case. Example. Then this row function will not work. Why? That would not be in sequence. Yes or no?
Yes.
In that case, what you can do instead of this row function, what you will apply?
Column match.
Match function. You'll apply
Match.
match. Match of what? Match of this. Match of this. Then we'll be matching the headers. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Try with this today. Just shuffle that, rows here and there. Create one table, separate table here only. Create one table, maybe here. And then simply, how can I create one table? Like just Control Z, put it here. Then complete one line. Let's suppose this complete one line, I'll put it here. Employee name, I want to put it. Let's suppose here. I want net salary. Control X, Control V. I want designation. Control X, Control V. Then this line I can delete. Right click, delete entire row. Done. Now in this case, I cannot apply this row function because I want to get employee name. In this case, employee name row number will be 1, 2, 3, 4.
7.
That should be number 7 there. In that case, row function will not work. We need to use match function. Match of what?
Employee name.
Try with this, like, okay, create one data set like this and apply HLOOKUP in this table, on this table, sorry. I'll delete it, right, delete it, right. Any questions? Oh. Or we'll discuss calculation options shortly. Wherein I'll discuss about in this section I will be discussing this part. Watch window, did we discuss already? Watch window?
No. Watch window, sir?
Yes.
No, sir.
How about this calculation options? Manual, automatic?
Automatic.
No?
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll discuss tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Plus we discuss about, okay, by the way, view tab already discussed, review tab already discussed, insert tab also we discussed already, except pivot tables and charts. Page layout, printing techniques, no, right?
No, sir.
Page layout is pending,
Insert pivot.
pivot table is pending, and chart is pending, and this section 1, 2, 3, 4. Most probably your class will be over after 3 days, including tomorrow is Friday, right?
Yeah.
So Friday 1, 2, 3. Max to max 20th will be your last class. 20.
So with this 20th Excel, total advanced Excel will be finished, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
If you are Power Pack student, then Power Pack student will move to the next class, SQL,
Yeah.
and then Power BI.
Sure.
How
Thank
many
you.
of you are for Power Pack here?
Bhargav.
Okay.
Mrutyunjay.
Mrityunjay?
I'm also in power.
Okay, good.
I just started 2:30 session of Kishore.
Oh, already started? Good, okay. Sorry guys, actually this batch took some time because of my health issues here and there. Still, I'm not feeling well yet because sunset with my voice, right? So that's what this batch dragged to these many days because of my health issues. But by the way, this like every time I'm finishing the batch, it's 1 month.
Sir, when will be back to Hyderabad, sir?
I'll be back after Holi.
After Holi, sir?
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir.
But I will not take your SQL batch and Power BI batch. SQL and Power BI will be taken care by other trainer.
Yeah. I know, sir, but I'm asking your health and issues, so that's why.
Okay. Thanks for asking, Bhargav. So then, see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.